If you want to have success in life, just never quit. I became a Marine, depped in when I was 17. By the time I was 18, I was serving my first tour in Iraq. We're in the middle of Operation Iraqi Freedom, and I spent the next 3 years out there. I used the military was a leadership school. So I really learned how to impact people's lives, how to win friends and influence people before I even knew what personal development was. What I wanted more than anything, guys, was my freedom. I was putting my life on the line for 3 years of my life, and I didn't feel like the country was appreciative of that. That's my why. I got involved in network marketing to create the life that I wanted, to have the family that I wanted, to live in the home that I wanted to have, to be able to do the things that I want to do. I have a different vision. I have a different goal that I want to achieve. And I hope you guys can see that goal. You can see the drive that we have with this team here, with the opportunity that we have to take a global business and dominate around the world.